the tag said $2.99, but it ring up 4. Which one is supposed to be?
$2.99 a pound, sweetie. That mango you're cradling weighs nearly 2.
£2? Come on, it's small. Look here.
Look where, scale don't lie. Scale and no scale, the sign you bigger font. You're misleading people. Hey, dog, thief, move from there, we're party 4 for criminal. Drop it. Come back here, hear me? Drop it now. You better run. Next time I charge a double, you hear? Lord have mercy, I can't turn me back 1 minute. That dog no good food when he see it. And 2 for 4 for the little jar, uncle. Big one in your hand costs 3 even. Read the rest of the sign.
Size looks same to me. Sugar water not worth 3.
See here, 8 ounce. You're holding the 12. More fruit, more money. Simple math.
Should give a man discount for loyalty.
I didn't... Hello? Yes, this is Stacy from Coconut Corner. Listen good, eh? We talk about that delivery you promised me since Tuesday. 3 crates of ripe plantain, 2 crates of mango. When they reach? Nowhere. Me stand up with empty shelf and hungry customer. Water commission? Yes, good afternoon. This is Stacy from Sunshine Groceries. Talk to me quick, please. Me looking at the bill here and I can't believe my eyes. 212 plus 100, 300 and change for water. For 1 small shop. Uno mad? Me have 2 tap and a mop sink. Me no run swimming pool. You must check again. Hey, me see and believe the nerve. Every day same foolishness. Look here, man thinking can shortchange me? Not a chance. Me stand up in my shop all day, me know every cent. Them come in, try sweet talk, like my memory soft. But my mind sharp like machete. Here,